Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow books and audiobooks to automatically download over a cellular network on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Books. In here, go down to the cellular section and tap on automatic downloads switch to turn it on, or tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. You can also choose downloads, and here you can also choose always allow, ask if over 200 megabytes, or always ask. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.